Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to copy the link of a document that you have already sent to someone by the WeTransfer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the send button down below, which is the second option. Here you can find the sent item, so tap on the relevant one. Here you can find the link to it. So tap on share link and you will be able to send the link to someone from your contacts via airdrop, via messages, Instagram and other social networking sites. Here you can find this preset message. I use WeTransfer, the simplest way to send and receive files. Hit the download link, and as you send this link to someone, he or she will be able to check out your document. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.